If you are wondering if we have a dedicated memory card slot or microSD card slot on Nothing Phone 4a, then the answer is unfortunately no. If we take a look at the SIM tray of Nothing Phone 4a, you can see that we have two SIM card slots, and there are cases where smartphones have the hybrid slot where you can decide if you want to use the second SIM or if you want to use microSD card instead. But in this case, unfortunately, the microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, so there is pretty much no way to use it on Nothing Phone 4a like that. The only way to use the microSD card with Nothing Phone 4a is by using an additional accessory that can be connected via USB-C port at the bottom of the phone, and this can be, for example, a memory card reader. Now in my case I have a pretty huge one because I have 3 slots. There are also memory card readers with just the microSD card slots, so you can use these instead if you want to have access to your microSD card storage. Of course, your memory card reader should have USB-C cable, so then you can connect it to the phone and you can access the storage. And of course, yes, I know that no one really wants to walk around with these huge accessories connected to their phones. This is not really the point, but if you are in a situation when you want to desperately, let's call it like that, desperately access the storage of your microSD card, then of course this can be really helpful. So you can connect it, take a look at your files, maybe transfer some files from the phone to the microSD card or the other way around, and then you can disconnect it and move on, you know. So if you really need to have access to your microSD card storage, you can use a memory card reader. Other than that, you cannot really use the microSD card with Nothing Phone 4a. Leave a like and subscribe.